concerned that this is gonna be like way pinker than I thought it was gonna turn out, but let's just see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh my gosh. And welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new here, my name is Mariah and I'm gonna dye my hair today. So the last time I bleached my hair, I decided that I was gonna go ahead and try to make my own toner, and it turned out to be kind of a little happy accident. I wind up with like a little tad bit of pink hair on the sides, and a lot of you were like,
"Oh, I like the pink,"
and I was kind of like,
I'm kind of feeling the pink too.
So I figured, why not just go full on pink? I'm ready to do something different with this hair. It has been blonde for a minute. As you can see, the black has grown back in. I need to cut it again as well. So basically, I'm just ready to go ahead and switch it up. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't really know how I look with full on like pink hair or pink/black hair, but it looks like today we're gonna be finding out together. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Arctic Fox Violet Dream. It's a semi-permanent hair color. It's also vegan, so score. It's like a purple on the bottle, but it has pink tones in it. I'm also going to be using the OGX Restoring Conditioner. It has some vegetable proteins in it because we all know when you bleach your hair, it gets damaged. And then I have my mixing bowl here and a brush to mix it all up. Before I start though, I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline around my edges just so that my skin doesn't wind up like super tinted pink. I also don't want to put like too much on because I don't want the blonde baby hairs essentially to not take to the pink.
Let me get some of this first. Had to put a little bit on my lips. My lips will sound a little chapped.
Yesterday, I washed my hair and I did a mask treatment on it, and I just sectioned it out into 4 twists, which I did so that they would air dry and stretch my hair a little bit at least. Okay, so I put about this much as I try not to spill it. So I put about this much in. And we're going to mix it. Oh yeah, that's pink already. It's pink. It's like a cotton candy bubblegumish kind of pink. So this is pretty much the color that we're working with. Kind of don't know if I want it any darker. I feel like we can just see. Pray for me. I need to pray for myself.
And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. Is it time to cut the butter on a couple items? Cause I know you're gonna slip on me a couple of times. You should think about it. Spark, will you burn for another lover? I don't wanna waste time, but my flame's hot. Don't wanna put the lifesaver down to the safe to drown. Everything you're saying got me out here looking for a meaning, and I know it might be early, but I'm catching all the feelings. I forget that we are only human beings. You've been giving me extraterrestrial readings. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
What? The fuck? I want you to show up. Will you throw me a bone? I've been out here making lemonade with all your lemons. You would think by now that I'd have learned 100 lessons, but I'm stupid with it. Cut, feel the burn of another scene. I don't wanna get mean on my 16s, but you'll never wanna listen to me when I beg and plead, bitch. I don't wanna have it your way, I want you to have it mine. It's a give a little, take a little, but you only taking all the time. You got me twisted, dot my T's and cross my eyes. I'm in denial, it's too late to compromise. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me what's sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Okay, I think I am done with applying this color. hopefully the back is all covered. Try to just get in here and get these areas in the back. So hopefully it all got worked through. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic cap on, and I will see you guys in about an hour. Okay guys, it will end up actually being more like 2 hours, so I'm gonna take this off now, and it looks like the color has really set in a lot. It's like a vibrant purplish toned kind of pink. And I still have some areas, which I don't know if you guys can see that right here. It's kind of like yellow, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out now and see what the color actually looks like once this is all rinsed out of my hair, and I'll be right back. My hair is fully rinsed out. The water really wasn't as pink as I was expecting it to be, which has me a little concerned that this is gonna be like way pinker than I thought it was gonna turn out, but let's just see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and we'll see when my hair is done. Oh my gosh, it's like pink. It's like pink, but it's cute though. It's a cute pink. This is a cute pink. I was expecting it to come out a little bit lighter than this, and I think the back of it, if anything else, I think the back came out a little bit lighter than the front, but my hair is pink. It's like pink. I love how like vibrant the color is. I thought that I wanted more of a like dusty color, but it's been a while since I've had just like a really vibrant color in my hair at all. But I like it though. Yes, I got pink hair now. My hair is pink. I was like thinking this was going to come out sort of cotton candy-ish, but it has like a deeper tone to it, and I actually kind of like it. What I'm also liking is the fact that this is not coming off on my nails at all. My nails are not getting tinted by me touching it. You can see some parts did come out a lot lighter than others, and I did get some of those parts that are still like this orangey sunset-ish kind of color. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but
I am pink! My hair is pink!
I wonder what Jeremy is gonna think, because I didn't tell him that I was dyeing my hair at all, let alone that I was dyeing it pink. So we'll just see what he thinks when he comes home. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. I'm just gonna blow dry it on the cool setting to stretch it out some and to get some of these curls out of the back so I can go ahead and trim the sides and my nape.
Ryan Little.
That's pretty much it. I cleaned up the side some. I'll probably have Jeremy clean it up a little bit more once he gets home and sees what I have done. I'm gonna go ahead and style it, which is gonna require me to wet it again, and I will be back with the final results.
Oh my! Oh, that's kind of cool. It's kind of loud too. I like it. It's very purple. I like it a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. I had to wait for my hair to dry. The product really takes like a day to kind of work in, but I am loving the way this pink looks. As you guys can see, I like cleaned up the sides and around the back. I'll do a 360. And there it is. But yeah, I said I wanted something different, and this is definitely different for sure. It's vibrant, it's bold, it pops, so I think that I can rock this for a little while at least, and I'm gonna enjoy doing it for sure. So that's all for this video, guys. You know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Or if you just like me in general, my energy, give me a huge thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, do that now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And leave me some love in the comments section. Let me know what you think of this new do I have going on. If you like it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. But as always, remember, if you can't be nice, then just be neutral. I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.